Hey food lovers, if you're craving some warm, comforting soup, you're in for a delightful treat. Today we're conjuring up a hearty sausage potato soup. First, let's gather up our stars. I'm using a pound of country sausage, some russet potatoes, and a medley of other delightful ingredients to create this pure magic. We're gonna kick things off by browning up 1 pound of country sausage. If you wanted to use turkey sausage, it also is delicious. In a large pot over medium-high heat, we're gonna add in that sausage and start to brown it up. As that sausage is cooking and browning, I'm gonna give it a few occasional stirs, but it's also a great time to prep your onions and your potatoes. I'm going to dice up 1 medium yellow onion. And for the potatoes, I'm going to peel 2 pounds of russets and rough chop them. The sausage is browning up beautifully, and we want to ensure we don't have any pink in there. We want it to be all brown. The sausage is perfectly brown, so we need to remove that from the pan. Now we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of salted butter, the chopped up onion, and about 4 cloves of minced garlic. It smells really good. What we need to do is let this saute for about 7 minutes until the onions become soft and translucent. At this point, I'm sure you're drooling because I am, and we need to add in our liquid, which is going to be 4 cups of chicken broth. Feel free to use low sodium chicken broth if you need to. In addition to the chicken broth, we're gonna add in 2 cups of half and half, and carefully add in those 2 pounds of cubed up russet potatoes. Bring this to a simmer, and we want those potatoes to become tender and inviting, which is gonna take about 15 minutes. Our potatoes have the perfect texture. You can easily smash them with a fork. And what I love about this soup is that you get to determine the texture of it. And for me, I love a rich texture, so I'm going to mash some of these potatoes, but leave some chunks as well. Reunite that cooked sausage into the pot. Add in 1 cup of sour cream. Stir that until it's well combined. And then season that with a little bit of salt and pepper to your preference. And just like that, you have a simple to make, delicious sausage potato soup. Serve this up with a sprinkle of cheese and some chopped up chives, and then you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayatHomeChef.com, where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes that you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.